ExpressTaxExempt tax software review usage experience. ExpressTaxExempt is an IRS authorized e-filing solution tailored for tax-exempt organizations, facilitating the electronic filing of various forms such as 990, 99EZ, 9909, 990PF, 990T, and 1120POL, and related schedules. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a comprehensive form support, user-friendly interface. ExpressTaxExempt offer both form-based and interview styles filing option, catering to users with varying level of tax preparation experience. And they also offer internal audit check. The software incorporates internal audit checks to identify and rectify errors before submission and reducing the likelihood of IRS rejection. And also, user collaboration. Organizations can invite multiple users to review and approve returns, streamlining the filing process and ensuring accuracy, and also amendment capability. So users can easily amend previous filed return even if the original submission was through a different provider. And here is the overall conclusion about this platform. ExpressTax serve as a reliable and efficient tools for tax-exempt organizations seeking to streamline their tax filing process. Its comprehensive form support, user-friendly interface, and collaborative features make it a valuable asset for non-profits aiming for accurate and timely submission.